You search how to buy shares of VAT Group Ltd, a precision valve and motion control specialist serving semiconductor and industrial equipment manufacturers. VAT Group Ltd trades on CBOE EU under the ticker VACN.ZU, and this video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker VACN.ZU to find VAT Group Ltd. Make sure you select the listing that matches CBOE EU to locate the correct share. On the asset page, you'll see a short company description and a price chart showing recent activity. Confirm the company name and the VACN.ZU ticker to ensure it's the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, your order may become a pending market order, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For more information and the platform link, see the description below.